So we're going to take a look at an algebra question from the Junior Cert Higher Level 2012 Paper 1 Question 11. So it's a question on factorising, and we're asked to factorise fully each of the following three expressions. Taking the first expression, we can see that we can factor this by using a common factor. The highest number that goes into 5 and 10 is 5. And the highest power of x that goes into x cubed and x squared is x squared. 5x squared into 5x cubed goes x times. And 5x squared into minus 10x squared goes minus 2 times. To check that the factorization is right, we'll multiply it back out. 5x squared by x is 5x cubed, and 5x squared times minus 2 is minus 10x squared. For the second expression, we can see that both terms are squares. 4x squared is 2x, all to be squared, and 81y squared is 9y, all to be squared. So this expression is factorized using the difference of two squares. We set up two brackets, and with the difference of two squares, the term in the first part of each bracket is equal, and the term in the second part of each bracket is equal, although with different signs. So 2x times 2x gives us the 4x squared. 9y multiplied by 9y will give us 81y squared, and the difference of two squares is always a plus and a minus. If we double check the product of the inner terms added to the product of the outer terms, we should get 0. The product of the inner terms is 18xy. The product of the outer terms is minus 18xy, and they sum to 0. We can see that the final expression is factorized by grouping terms together. So if we take the first two terms, we can see that a common factor is a. A into a squared goes a times, and a into minus ab goes minus b times. If we then group the second two terms, we can see that a common factor is plus 3. Plus 3 into plus 3a goes a times, and plus 3 into minus 3b goes minus b times. When factorising by grouping, we have to make sure that the two brackets are the same, which they are, and then we wrap the a plus 3 into a bracket and multiply it by the a minus b. We can see that if we multiply this out, we would have a by a is a squared, a by minus b is minus ab, 3 by a would be 3a, and 3 by minus b would be minus 3b.